Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. Beyond measure. Powerful beyond measure. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure.
Let's go! Steamboats further down the street. Ooh, way down low. Ain't no sound but the sound of speed. Machine guns ready to go. Are you ready? Hey, are you ready for this? Are you hanging on the edge of your seat? Out of the way, the bullets rip. The sound of the beat,
Thank you.